Hi guys, this is Madison. Welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm doing a video. Excuse me. I'm gonna do a video on my lovebirds. Now, here's my little sister, Emma. And these are our lovebirds. That yellow one's mine. That one's Ava's, my sister's, and where's Emma's? Right here. I caught, and this is my dad, and he's holding my sister's lovebird in his hand right now.
I want to hold him.
If you can see it. Can you see it?
You already held him. He's scared.
But why?
He's in that hole right there, see? And this is our lovebird cage. We got these little houses, and we have lots of lovebird stuff so they can play. And we also got food down here.
You already held him already.
Now, I'm gonna show you my lovebird close up. Come on. Come on. I'm so scared. Are you gonna go?
Where's the dog?
Good. Good. He's here. Ta-da! Oh no! He's biting my tablet. He's a biter.
Play with the doggy. Why not? Don't you love him?
Pasita. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get my lovebird. Good. Good. Here's my beautiful lovebird. Be careful. Her name's Lola. And right now she's on my bag. Here, Emma, put your hand out like this and get it off my back. I don't want it to poop on me.
We need a stick.
And there you go. Okay, sorry guys, my sister's in a little attitude. Emma. Okay, now I'm going to put the leopard on my sister. Bring your hand out. Emma, he might bite. He's not going to bite you. He only puts he puts his mouth on you. Okay, he puts his mouth on you because he's trying to get on you. Okay, come on. Come on, get on. Get on. I can't waste my time. Okay, Emma, bring your arm out. And get on. I'm gonna hold. Okay, go on.
I wanted to.
Okay, now. And he flew away. The little fighter. Come on.
Yeah, Emma. Come here. I'm gonna let you hold him, okay?
Come on. Come on. And now he's running away from me. Got him.
Careful when he falls down like that. You hurt him.
Okay. Got him.
How come?
Look.
Look, Daddy. I'm gonna do that. Look, you doing it.
And my dad's a lovebird guy.
Daddy.
Now,
Daddy.
I don't know what to do. See, he's still holding my sister's lovebird.
Oh, you don't want to.
She's nice and calm now. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to try to teach my lovebird a trick. It's called step by step. Now we're going to do step by step. Okay, I don't know much to do, but thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. And this is my other sister. Bye! Bye!